Santa Cruz County in Northern California, Eastern Sonoma County in Northern California, Contra Costa County in Northern California, San Francisco County in Northern California, Northwestern Santa Clara County in Northern California, Napa County in Northern California, until 6:45 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. 5:12 Pacific Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 miles west of Cloverdale to 8 miles west of Boulder Creek, moving north at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: erratic outflow wind gusts of 50 to 75 miles per hour. Frequent lightning. Source: public. Impact: expect down trees, down power lines, power outages, wildfire starts in remote areas, difficulty driving in the winds. Locations impacted include Santa Cruz Mountains, San Francisco Bay Area. Damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. The following is an
Let's go. Oh my god, it's literally happening. Sorry for the camera angle. It's pretty bad.
This is a test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm and EAS signal. These signals are used to activate.
It's not an Amber Alert, it's called a test, okay?
Watches are issued for potentially dangerous weather situations. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted each Wednesday between
And
the
plus,
hours of
nowhere there's
11
gonna be an
a.m. and
Amber
12
Alert
a.m.
out of nowhere.
If any warnings or watches are in effect or threatening weather is possible, the test will be postponed until the first good weather day. Again, this has been a test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm and EAS signal. We now return to the regular broadcast cycle.